Alright, I'm going to try this again. Okay, here it is on that one, on this one, and then again it's here. It's 29 degrees, 2018. You can read all that, right? And if you can't see all that, it's on this, yeah, it's on that one too. Okay, great. So, there we go. So now what I'm going to try and do is show you the inside of this here, which I've been working on right here, which is that up there. Okay, so, alright, so now, let me, let's see here. I need to zoom this one in, right? Because I'm doing this one handheld. Well, let's see here. So, can you do this too? Just lost the mouse. Okay, so, there we go. Zoom that in. Use the remote on this one to zoom that in. It's pretty close. Okay, so now give me the mouse. Alright, so here's that end, this end, the back. Had a cord in it. Clean battery compartment. That end. The top. And the bottom. The back. Takes 7 screws. Flops open from the front. It really does have tweeters, although it doesn't seem like there's any wires going to the tweeters, because that right there is a wired tweeter. And just the other side is wired as well. But anyway, okay, moving along. Let's see here. That's it's a 3 ohm. Doesn't say anything else, just 3 ohms. Okay. All right, and then we've got. There's the guts of it. Alright, and then that comes off, it unclips. Oh, let me go back to that. On this one here, well, no, you can't see it. Okay, well, I didn't take it, I didn't show that off right. Anyway, that's the main deck right there. Okay, and that's where you unplug it from, and that's the other plug. Okay. There's a tape deck, and then there's the motor. No date on it, it's just a model number. Okay, and that's how it looks like there. Now, notice here that this one is missing the belt. Need a belt there. Alright, that's just trying to see the routing. It's very important to have these pictures, because that thing comes apart in 3 pieces, or, well, anyway. And then this side here too. That's the screw. You have to take out both of these screws, but you'll learn that. Now, this is the main belt. That's the first secondary belt. These are old belts. And this is the one that I found that fit the other belt. Okay. Here it is taken apart with the new belt on there, so it fits after I cleaned all the, you know, the bad stuff out. Alright, and then there it is. Oh, okay, so we're done. So now what I want to do is I want to transition from the mouse. Alright, so now run this down. See here, run this down. Okay, so come up some. There we go. And okay, that's pretty close. Alright, so what I want to try and do here is 4 minutes, okay, is hit play. So that's play, and then that's the other direction. And if you hit this, it'll change like that. Okay. And then if you flick this up, this one here, flick that up. Wait. That up. It'll only play one time and shut off. Alright, so there, and shuts off. Then, if you, now the purpose of the, you try and do this and hold, well, can you see that? No, you're out of frame. Alright, well, let's see if I can just set this, okay, there we go. See if I can hold that. Move this. Can you see that? Yes, okay. So there it is working in one direction. We hit stop, And then here's the play mode. Well, okay. Let's see here. That's still play mode. I'm trying to get to the. Okay. Here's one fast wind, and then hit stop. And this is the other fast wind. So, and you can't see that, but that's how that works. So, yeah. So that's this one. That's that one. And then, anyway, I'm just having too much fun here. I don't know if you can see all this. Where I can't even tell what's in this camera. Well, alright. Alright, I'm having too much fun. Anyway, that's the one play mode. And that's the other. And they use idler tires here. Use idler tires on this one for the play mode, and they use the belts in the back via the gears and the jack shafts and all that for the fast forward and rewind. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show in this. Trying to use two cameras and it's not working out well. So good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, I gotta go. So turn. Goodbye. Yeah. Okay, so and just hit the back button on this.